welcoming you all. Today let's see how to prepare a lip smacking deep fried snack recipe, a perfect recipe for this rainy season. Now let's get started and see how to prepare this yummy snack recipe. I have taken one green papaya, peel off the skin. This green papaya is about 300 grams. Chop them as shown in the video. Now the papaya pieces are ready to be boiled. To water, add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring it to a boil. Now add the papaya pieces. Make sure that you don't overcook them. It has to be partially cooked. So now, as you can see, it has been 50% cooked. So strain it off. To this papaya, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and the salt that is required. I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoon of chilli powder. You can adjust it according to your spiciness, and about 1/4 cup of corn flour. Now mix this well and make sure that the papayas get coated well. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Amchoor powder. You can even substitute lemon juice instead of Amchoor powder. So give it a good mix. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chicken 65 masala powder. This powder is completely optional. Give it a good mix. Now these pieces are ready to be deep fried. Let's fry them. So fry them in small batches. Fry them until they turn nice and golden brown. Now our finger fries are ready. Strain it out from the hot oil. So a perfect rainy day snack is ready, which can be enjoyed with hot chai. Try out this yummy lip smacking recipe and let us know your feedback. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.